How to fix Windows Update error code 0x800705b4. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix the error that you get during your Windows Update, and the error code is 0x800705b4. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So here you'll actually need to write a code. So for that, open up your notepad. So open up your notepad, and on your notepad, you can open up a new tab and paste this code. Now I'll provide this code in your in the description down below. So you can simply paste this code in your notepad and save this copy. So let's just save this. And you can save this in your wherever you want. I'll just save this in my desktop. So let me select the desktop here. And what you need to do on the desktop or any other folder that you select this at is you need to name this WR and give it a .bat extension. So you can simply give it a .bat extension and then tap on save. After you save this, you can just simply cross this up, and there you'll find this application that you can run. Now this is an executable file. What you'll have to do is you'll need to right click on this and tap on run as administrator. After you run this, your command prompt will start running some codes there, and after that your device should restart. You can restart it yourself as well, and doing that your problem will get fixed during whenever you try to do another Windows update. So you can try to do your Windows update and see if the problem persists. And yeah, that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.